Amazon and MGM have just made a huge mistake, turning on a former ally. Now let me tell you the story. Once upon a time, two entertainment giants looked at the people who loved their films and saw allies in storytelling. Instead of fighting them, they fed them. Paramount handed over Optimus Primal, free, official, straight from the studio. Amazon MGM Studios did the same with Rocky, the alien from Project Hail Mary. Official files for real fans to celebrate films they already loved. We had hoped that this was the future. For a little while, it worked exactly the way it was supposed to. Then, something changed. We need to think bigger. And I don't want you to click away because you just think that this has to do with a couple of movies and their characters and the intellectual property. What's happening is only going to get worse. And as this legislation spreads across the country about 3D printers and CNC and lathes and models and blueprint blocking technology, the control over IP is only going to get worse. These companies are looking for ways to inject themselves into this process to effect total control, which I get IP, I get it. But people 3D printing at home and celebrating this type of thing is not really who you should be fighting. Okay, now with that, let me explain exactly what's happening and why this should matter to all of you. You're typing one word into a search box on a model repository. The search is not just being rejected. 0 results aren't being returned. You're getting a legal notice. Now that didn't happen just because cults wanted to. This is likely, in my opinion, this is a complaint, this is a settlement, this is some sort of a demand from MGM. MGM is taking the word Stargate and not just saying, hey, delete the models from your website. They're saying, put up this legal notice to let the viewer know, the person searching, that what they're searching for is wrong. It's trademarked and they can't have it. Let me go ahead and read it. As a result of an action initiated by MGM Studios Inc., the keyword Stargate is not available for search on this site. We apologize for the inconvenience. For any claims, please contact Taylor Wessing. Now, Taylor Wessing is the law firm in charge of IP for MGM in Europe. Now, this is what enforcement looks like in 2026. Not just removing the file, they're literally saying you can't even search for it. Now, I did check MakerWorld and Printables for anything Stargate related, and it's still there. And that tells me that this likely has to do with the fact that Cults 3D is a platform most known for selling models. That doesn't mean that they're not going to come for Printables and to MakerWorld next. It's just it looks like Cults was first. Now, here's why I believe that these studios are making a huge mistake. Because they had allies. They had people that are so passionate and creative that were here to celebrate the films, the movies that they love, which ultimately in turn helps market and helps promote them. So back in 2023, when Paramount released Transformers: Rise of the Beasts, instead of suing fans for designing and printing an Optimus Primal, they partnered with Printables. Printables actually created a whole new category on their website to promote those files and to get people excited about the film. These are official models designed by Paramount for the community. Now, fast forward to 2026. Amazon, MGM, released the free official STLs for Project Hail Mary. The fan engagement absolutely exploded. And that's the right way, in the way that I wish it would continue to be done in the future. The studio leaned into the community instead of fighting it. Now, what happened? The same company that just gave us the Project Hail Mary files is literally going after model repositories now. I hate to say I told you so, but here it comes. I told you for like the last 6 months, I think I've made 20 videos about 3D printing, CNC, laser cutter, and lathe legislation that's sweeping the country. Not only is it going after the machines, but it's also going after the intellectual property. That whole blocking technology, the technology that they're injecting between you and the machine that stops you from creating, I told you that this was coming. And companies like Disney and John Deere and Ford, and apparently now Amazon, MGM, they are finding a way to inject themselves into that process. And it's not just the old school way of contacting those websites and having them remove it. Look what they're doing. They're now giving you a warning on the website. Amazon, MGM, Taylor Wessing, you're really making a huge mistake here because you really had two paths. One path turns millions of people around this planet into fans. Fans that ultimately go and watch your films. Fans that create, they celebrate, they inspire millions more. The other path turns these people into enemies. You're not going to stop them from copying your models. That's not going to end. I mean, ask Disney how that worked out. Anything that's interesting that the community thinks that they're going to model, design, share, print, that's going to happen. But you're going to get the hate that comes along with it. And it really didn't have to happen this way. Seriously, reconsider. Contact cults, have them drop that stupid warning. Let people create. Let people print. Let people enjoy and be fans of these fantastic films. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below if any of this even matters to you. Do you care about this kind of thing? Do you think that companies like Amazon, MGM should let people effectively be the marketing departments, being able to create, print, share? Or do these companies have the right to just close it up, shut it down, right? And do you think that matters? Do you think it helps them? Do you think it hurts them? Let me know in the comments below. And also, let me know if you enjoyed this content. We can cover more of it. All right, thanks for watching.